Hey, what's up guys, it's Umar Farik and welcome back to Droid Villas. Oops, sorry guys, welcome to my second channel. So on today's video, I am going to talk about how YouTubers make money on YouTube.
Nice.
Well, I know a lot of you guys will be wondering how a lot of YouTubers make hundreds and thousands and millions of dollars on YouTube. Well, it's not something to be surprised about because I am going to break down each and everything you need to know about this topic. There are so many ways to make money on YouTube as a YouTuber or a YouTube channel owner, such as the YouTube ad revenue, sponsorships, partnerships, and many other ways. So let's start with the YouTube ad revenue. The YouTube ad revenue is the method of making money on YouTube directly from your YouTube videos. As a YouTuber or a YouTube channel owner, you can start making money from your YouTube videos once you reach the requirement to start making money from your YouTube videos. So to start making money from your YouTube videos, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. Yeah, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months.
Okay.
So what this simply means is that your YouTube channel needs to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and a minimum of 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. Yeah, I know some people might ask, what is YouTube watch time? Well, YouTube watch time is the total amount of time that viewers spend watching your videos. I hope you understand what YouTube watch time is all about. YouTube watch time is the total amount of time that viewers spend watching your YouTube videos.
Oh my god! Wow!
So after getting at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months, YouTube will check and review your channel to see if the subscribers and the watch time are real and not fake. And after reviewing your channel, YouTube will send you an email telling you that your channel is approved and you can start making money from your YouTube videos. So I'll use my gaming channel as an example, which is the Droid Villas channel. As you can see on the screen, whenever I upload a new video on YouTube, I usually turn on the monetization of the video so that ads can start displaying on the video and I'll be making money from the video. So we are done with the YouTube ad revenue, and the next one is the sponsorship. Sponsorship is a partnership between you as a YouTuber or a YouTube channel owner and another individual, company, or organization. So sponsorship is the act of promoting or advertising an individual, company, or organization's product in your YouTube videos. For example, a company can contact you or send you an email telling you that they want you to advertise or promote their product in your YouTube videos, and they will pay you a certain amount of money for doing that. Whether you have a large or small number of subscribers, there are companies that doesn't really care about the number of subscribers you have as a YouTuber, as long as their products can reach a large or huge number of people. So as you can see, the YouTube ad revenue and the sponsorships are amongst the easiest ways you can make money on YouTube, even as a small YouTuber.
Thank you!
So if you want me to be making these kinds of videos and many other kinds of random videos about my life and many other things on this channel, then please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. I promise you wouldn't regret it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Stay safe.